Creating a successful affiliate marketing program. Before diving into the specifics of creating a successful affiliate marketing program, it is essential to understand the basics of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with affiliates who promote your products or services in exchange for commissions on sales generated through their referral links. Developing a strategy for success. You need to develop a clear strategy that outlines your goals, target audience, key performance indicators, and action plan. Identify your target market, research your competitors, and define your unique selling proposition to differentiate yourself in the market. Implementing best practices and techniques. There are several best practices and techniques that can help you maximize the effectiveness of your affiliate marketing program. Focus on building strong relationships with your affiliates through regular communication, training, and support. Monitoring and analyzing performance. Monitoring and analyzing the performance of your affiliate marketing program is essential to identify areas for improvement, optimize your strategy, and drive growth. Use analytics tools to track key metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and revenue generated by your affiliates. Growing your affiliate program. As your affiliate marketing program grows, it is important to continue nurturing your relationships with affiliates, expanding your network, and exploring new opportunities for collaboration. Conclusion. In conclusion, creating a successful affiliate marketing program requires a combination of strategy, best practices, techniques, and effective management.